Guys, I want to show you guys on how you can easily change your partner link. Maybe you have already registered Exness account before and you want to be part of my community, you want to be part of my VIP group or trading group. All right, so this is how you are going to do it. I'll show you the video right now on how you can change your partner link to my own personal link right now in this particular video. So let me just show you the video right away, guys. Right now, this is how you need to just tap on the link. Tap on the link that you see. All right, maybe to just log into your account. So just log into your existing account. Log into your existing account first. All right, so just put your put your email address and log into your account. When you log into the account, all right, you need to click on that particular to message the bot is support. Like say you want to contact Exness support link, click on that particular icon so that you can send a message to that particular bot. I will send you the link to just change your partner link. Then you say hello. So when you say that, the bot will pop up and send you a message. Then you just write change partner. That is all what you need to write. Change partner. That is all. Then you send the message. Then the bot will send you a link. Then tap on that link. Tap on the link. All right. Tap on that link. All right. On your Exness account using your browser. Use a browser to just change that particular. Then can you see select reason for partner change? Then you need to just make sure to say trading signal. All right. Then you can say then insert the partner link. All right, go to your Telegram, then copy that link, copy the link, my link. All right, copy my link. All right, then you paste it on that particular area, paste it there. Then all right, where do you find your new partner? You can say Telegram. All right, then leave a comment. You can say okay, thank you, or just write anything you like. That's how you can change it. Then you click on send. Then you can see, then you need to just go and confirm it on your particular app. Go to your app and confirm it. Confirm. Do you want to confirm this action? Confirm. Simple. Got it. You are good to go. That's all. Then just wait for like 2 to 3 minutes, 2 to 3 days, or that's how you can. Thank you guys for watching. Bye for now, guys.